Hello students. Students, every time I show you this, the first slide, that is hello, and it is a moving image, okay, like this. This is called your GIF. Understood? This is called what? GIF. It will be easily available online, okay. Now later I will tell you how to download this, okay. Now we'll move to our next chapter, that is our fourth chapter, tables, links and frames in HTML. Now in this chapter we will learn what is tables, how to include table in HTML, how to link the HTML file, and how to insert the frames into the HTML file. Okay. First, creating a tables. Now in your textbook there are some basic tags given here on page number 72. Same tags are this. See the basic tags. So table, you creating table is there. So this is a table tag is given. Okay. This is the main tag used to define the table in HTML. Then tr tag is given. Tr is nothing but a table row tag. This is used to define what? Horizontal row of cells. Then td. Td is nothing but a table data tag. Okay. It specifies an individual blocks or cells in the table row. Then th is a table header cell. Okay. A table header indicates that the cell is a header for a column or a row. And the caption tag is there. Caption or nothing but your heading only, heading tag. Okay, this defines the caption or heading for the title of the table. Okay, like this, the creating table, like this. Okay, now we'll see how to create the table in HTML practically. See, this is the same program which are given in your textbook, page number 73. Okay, simple table program this is. I type this program here, HTML head tag, then title tag is given, creating a tables, then style tag I give. Okay, in the style tag, see table, which type of table you want. So the mention, this is mentioned here, border, then empty cells, space, how much space you want in your table. Okay, all is mentioned here. After that, body tag. In the body tag, main table rows and columns you have to mention in the body tag. So in the body tag, first is a table tag. See here, I scroll it down. Okay, in the body tag, first is a table tag. In the table tag, the caption is given. Okay, see the simple table, this is a caption. Caption is nothing but what? The heading of your table. Then tr is a table row. Table row, one row, then the table headings are given a b c. In the one row, a b c headings are given here. Then in the another row EF headings are given here, data is given, EF data is given, another GH data is given here. Okay, then TR row is closed here. After that, table tag is closed, body closed, and HTML tag is closed. Okay, same to same program I typed here. Okay, now we'll see the output of this program. First, what you have to do after typing the program, go to file and save this file. Otherwise, on your keyboard, the shortcut key is given here, Ctrl+S. Okay, after saving this file, please save your file with the .html extension. Save your file with the .html extension. After saving this file, go on your desktop. If you are saving your file on the desktop, see my file is there on the desktop, simple table.html file. If you open this file, see, this is the output. Same output is there. Okay, see, this is a caption, that is a simple table. Okay, then A B C, this is a table heading TH. Okay, this is a table heading, and this is the data TD. E and F, G and H, this is a table data. Understood how to create a simple table in the HTML? If you want to give the border to this table, then how to give the border to this table? See here, go to your coding file. If you want to give the border, then instead of this, you need to change only these two lines. Okay, see, border collapse is separate. Instead of this, you have to change here. See, select this and you have to change this one, this file. Copy and paste it. Okay, I already typed, so I just copy and paste it here. See, table border is given. I gave the border size, that is 2px pixel, and then I give the color, that is a solid blue. You can give any color here. Empty cell is hide as it is, keep it as it is. Then border spacing I give 5px and 8 pixel. And caption side, caption is again caption. What do you mean by the caption? Is heading. Caption is nothing but the heading. So heading size side I gave the bottom. In the first program it was the upper side. Okay, now I gave the caption as a bottom. Okay, now you save this program. If you are going to change anything in your coding, first you need to save your file again and again. Okay, save your program and now go on the desktop, select your file, double click and open this file. See the border has come. Understood how to give the border to your table? This is your caption. I wrote here, in my coding file, caption is equals to what? Bottom. Caption side is bottom. Okay, understood how to give the border to your table? Now likewise you can create a simple table. Okay, now next topic is inserting images in the table cell. Means instead of E, instead of F, you have to insert the images. Okay, that will continue with your next video. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Thank you, students.